Hey, what's up guys? Big Rob here with Colorado Yak Pack. Just wanted to do a quick review today. Here we got the Lifetime Teton Angler. It's a 10-footer. It's a pretty nice kayak. This is my setup here. It's pretty much the same as the Tamarack, except it doesn't come with the third rod holder and it doesn't come with hull storage. But I see a lot of people, put their own hull storage in these things. It's been a really good yak though. I've taken it down the river, take it out in the lake here all the time. The Teton's pretty darn stable on the water. I'm a big guy, 6'7", 265 pounds, and I fit comfortably in this thing. I can rock it around. It's good. Feels real good. I'm not even sitting back in my seat properly. Caught lots of fish on it so far, so it's a great little boat. And I highly recommend it if you're looking for a nice little budget kayak. I really haven't done a lot of mods to it or anything. It's pretty set up. Just right out of the box for some good fishing. Only thing I have done is I added my crate here. Just keep a few things in there. Got my extra rod holders. Got my little paddle leash. Got all my little necessary tools on the leash and my net here. This is about the only mod I've done is this little cup holder here, and it's Velcro. Works pretty good. It's got these little rails. I haven't utilized those at all yet. I don't run scupper plugs in it except under my seat because I don't really like my butt being wet. And I'm a big guy, so I kind of sag down to the floor sometimes. But yeah, so it's a great little kayak. If you want to get out on the water and start fishing, it'll get you out there. I feel good about this.
Y'all got a race now.
Now it's jousting.
Oh yeah, kayak jousting. You need to paddle more. Look, he's getting down over here. Look at him.
Oh God. Yak Pack. Yak Pack. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in. That's my little review on the Lifetime Teton. And we'll see you next time.